By the way, too, there's going to be people going behind because the PowerPoint wasn't, or the projector, something wasn't working. How many of you create expectations in your mind that the morning is going to go the way it's supposed to go? And if it's not, it's something else's fault. How many of you have ever, am I on your way? Okay, cool. How many of you have ever had something happen the first hour of the morning, like you stub your toe or something happens, and then you go, oh, there goes what? My day. And then you spend the rest of the day trying to find evidence on why your day is crappy. And then you'll do a drive-by, not the bad drive-by, this, well, like this. Anybody ever do this thing? Yeah, you're having a bad day, and then all of a sudden you do this. Well, you're a guy, you're well trained, good for you. Okay. What do normally people do when somebody does that? What do you do? What's wrong? And they go, oh, let me tell you. So first, I mean, literally. Try on. There's no such thing as a bad day, just bad moments. And if you want to believe that a bad moment that takes 10, 15 seconds of your life can totally take on being a bad day, that's totally fine. Feel free to choose not to be responsible. And then give your power away.